Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Autel Auto. Today we are working on a 2003 Toyota Highlander. It's an all-key loss situation. I have to take out the ignition to go and cut the key. So I have two key cuts are made, and they have the transponder chip inside here. So let's try and program the keys. To show you that the keys are not there. You can see this is start. The same thing. This is start. So we are going to program the keys now. Lost Toyota. Let's go to manual selection. Go to control unit, E46, immobilizer reset. Function weakness, you need at least two keys. So we are going to reset the immobilizer box. The immobilizer box is being reset. Security light is unsteady. Yeah, the immobilizer box has been reset now. So the remaining the next procedure, take out the key and put it for 5 minutes, take it out. Then, so we have taken out this key, we insert it for 5 minutes, for 5 seconds, sorry. So after 5 seconds we take that, we insert the second key. After 5 seconds, take out the second key, insert the first key, and switch it on and off 5 times. Now the security light is off. So which means that this key can actually start the car. So the first key has started the car, confirm. And the second key, security light is off. Can equally start the car. This is Autel Auto. Kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share my videos. Thank you for watching.